Hola, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back because I wanted to show you something. Okay. See, I drew this, I painted this, whatever you want to call it. Isn't it beautiful? Please ignore the mistakes. I'm just a learner, by the way. And you know what my mommy is doing? I'll show you. My chappal. Oh. This is pistachio nut shell. We painted this. She painted actually. Meanwhile, I was painting my thing and then she was doing this. She painted this and then this was a normal plastic pot, but then she used concrete and added up this thing to make a DIY pot. Isn't it pretty? You can utilize pistachio nut shell this way. She's so talented. Ooh. Mm. It looks like something to eat. Mommy, they need clear. खाली म पक्रिदिन्छु टान्न छैन Can you I don't vlog because we don't go anywhere and I don't have anything interesting to show you or cook or eat. So yeah, that's the reason. Finally, she has changed her clothes and yeah, and this lazy ass. Leo. Hairstyle inspired by Pragya. Hairstyle inspired by Pragya Bandari. Oops. बचपन का प्यार तेलले गर्दा हो लियो After having dinner also my mommy is eating. What are you eating? This is jackfruit का seed boil किया हुआ उबला हुआ and it's so tasty. Huh? She made it because when you have dogs in the house, they will not let you hear anything or talk anything because they make hell lot of sound. But I love them. Even they love jackfruit seed. She's intentionally showing so that I could film her. What are you? If you have pet dogs in your house, I think you can relate. And yes, we have started. We joined Oriflame recently, and my mommy is watching some Oriflame business related video in YouTube and अब जो कस्टमर थे अब आपके ब्रांड पार्टनर्स बन चुके हैं और इन्होंने भी अपनी अपनी आईडी में 2-2 हजार रुपए की शॉपिंग कर ली है। अब 2 हजार की शॉपिंग पर इन्हें तो 400 रुपए का मुनाफा हुआ, बट यहाँ पर आपको क्या मिला? यहाँ पर आपको मिला बीपी। बीपी मीन्स होता है बोनस पॉइंट। एक बीपी बराबर होता है 36 रुपए और इसी के हिसाब से कंपनी अपने ब्रांड पार्टनर्स को पेमेंट करती है। ये हर साल बढ़ता है। लास्ट ईयर ये 34 रुपए था और इस साल 2020 I googled the problem. I don't know if we should trust it, but this is not harmful, right? It was written that it is due to the melanin. Keratin. Excess of keratin. Cow. So they told us to. The instruction was to soak some cloth in warm water and then place it under your eye area where the milia is there. So we are doing that. Hi guys, how are you? Tamam feeling that's the whole thing. I'm on subscriber board. My name is Pragya and I'm very beautiful. Hello guys, so मैले चाहिँ आज लाइनर लगाएको थिएँ कि राम्रै भएर तर अब गएकै छैन अलरेडी यसो गर्दै म निकाल्छु अन्त मेरो चाहिँ नाक साह्रो ठुलो छ कि अनि म भ्लगमा देखाउँछु ल मेरो यहाँ एउटा डिम्पल पनि छ Good night. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye. Take care.